The 2025 Suzuki Burgman 400 remains a distinguished luxury scooter, providing an ideal combination of practicality, comfort, and performance. The Burgman 400, equipped with a 400 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, caters to individuals seeking the efficiency of a scooter combined with the power and attributes of a motorcycle. This is an optimal selection for urban commuters and individuals who value maneuverability alongside sufficient storage for daily tasks or weekend excursions. The 2025 model upholds the Burgman's esteemed reputation for superior features, encompassing a comfortable, low seat, ample underseat storage, and a streamlined, aerodynamic appearance. The scooter's frame is lightweight yet robust, enhancing its nimble maneuverability and stability at high speeds, rendering it a dependable companion for urban roads and highways. The 2025 Suzuki Burgman 400 offers unparalleled design, technology, and rider attributes that confirm its dominance over rivals. The Burgman's robust and agile 400 cubic centimeters engine is paired with a rider-selectable traction control technology, providing the rider with reassurance and superior road stability throughout diverse conditions. Riders and passengers will appreciate the ample and comfortable ergonomics, as the massive 15-inch front tire and 13-inch rear wheel facilitate superior handling while augmenting the Burgman's aesthetic appeal. The Suzuki Burgman 400 combines exceptional appearance, motor, and chassis performance with reliable rider aids, establishing itself as the premier scooter for riders of varying experience levels. The fully automated CVT, continuously variable transmission, ensures seamless, linear power delivery for a comfortable riding experience, whether for commuting, touring on the open road, or accommodating a passenger. The Burgman's dependable performance is consistently accessible, whether for commuting, touring on the open road, or riding with a passenger. The Burgman 400 features a telescopic front fork offering 4.3 inches of wheel travel and a link-type monoshock rear suspension, which ensures motorcycle-like handling and remarkable maneuverability. The 2025 Burgman 400 features a sleek and athletic body design, offered in metallic matte black No. 2 complemented with blue wheels, reflecting the scooter's nimble character. The front bodywork features 2 storage compartments, a 2.8-liter compartment on the left and a 3.5-liter compartment on the right, equipped with a DC power plug for charging electronic items. A diverse range of authentic Suzuki accessories for Burgman owners is offered, including a top case, an elevated windscreen, and an extensive assortment of Suzuki-branded gear. A 12-month limited warranty is offered, with extended coverage options and additional advantages available via Suzuki Extended Protection (SCP).